ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ተከታታዮች እንደምንሰነበታችሁ። በዛሬው ዕለት ሶስተኛ የትምህርታዊ ቪዲዮን አዘጋጅቼ ያቀረብኩላችሁ ሲሆን ቪዲዮውን እስከ መጨረሻው በመመልከት ላይክ፣ ሼር እና ሰብስክራይብ እንድታደርጉ በማክበር ጋብዛለሁ። በቀጣይ ወደ ቪዲዮ በቀጥታ ልግባ። ዛሬ የምናየው ሜዥር ኦፍ ሎኬሽን የሚባሉትን ሚን፣ ሚዲያን ኤንድ ሞድ ነው። So the most common known measure of locations are mean, median and mode. So let us see the first one, which is arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean or the mean of a variable is the sum of all the data values divided by the total frequency or number of observations. Mean for raw data, if x1, x2, x3 up to xn are the n observation of a variable, then the mean is given by mean or x bar it equals to the sum of all values divided by total number of values. It equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn all over n. So this is the mean of the given raw data. Let us see an example. Find the mean of the following data. This is the given data. Then the solution is mean equals to the sum of all the data values divided by the number of observations. That means 11 plus 9 plus 14 plus 3 plus 11 plus 4 plus 10 plus 21 plus 8 plus 15 plus 350 all over 11, because there are 11 frequencies or 11 observations. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the sum of the data value divided by 11. And then the sum of the data value is 456. Then it is divided by 11. We get 41.45. 41.45 is the mean of the given raw data. Mean for frequency distribution data. The mean of a population function can also be calculated from its frequency distribution. So if the values x1, x2, x3, xn occurs f1, f2, f3 up to fn times respectively, then the mean is given by mean equals to x1 times f1 plus x2 times f2 plus x3 times f3 plus up to xn times fn all over f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus up to fn. Then let us see an example. A researcher tabulates the number of cases held by 8 judges on a given day in a court and found the following data. So in the first row there are 8 judges, and in the second row there are counts of cases which are the corresponding frequencies of the judges. Then find the mean. Mean equals to 1 times 6 plus 2 times 3 plus 3 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 5 times 0 plus 6 times 5 plus 7 times 5 plus 8 times 4 all over the sum of the frequencies 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4. Then it equals to 1 plus 6, 6, 2 times 3, 6 plus 3 times 1, 3 plus 4 times 2, 8 plus 5 times 0, 0 plus 6 times 5, 30 plus 7 times 5, 35 plus 8 times 4, 32 all over 26, which equals to 120 over 26. It is approximately 4.62. Note: for a given data, the mean is always unique. Every data has exactly one unique. And the second one is the mean is affected by extreme values. When we change the minimum and maximum value of the given data, the mean is also changed. properties of mean. There are four properties of mean. The first one is the mean of the deviation of individual observation from mean is 0. That is, let x1, x2, x3 up to xn be n observation with mean x bar, then the sum of the deviations of observation from the mean is I x1 minus mean plus x2 minus mean plus x3 minus mean plus up to xn minus mean equals to 0. For example, there are 5 students in a group. Lemlem wants to know how much money each student has and asked all the members of the group. She found the following amounts. The first student have 6 birr and the second one is 9 birr. The third one have 8 birr and the fourth one have 4 birr and the fifth one have 3 birr. Then the mean is 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 all over 5. Then the sum of the data values give 30 divided by 5, which is 6. So 6 is the mean of the given data value. Then the sum of the deviation from the mean is 6 minus 6 plus 9 minus 6 plus 8 minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 plus 3 minus 6, which equals to 6 minus 6, we get 0, plus 9 minus 6 give us 3, plus 8 minus 6 give us 2, plus 4 minus 6 minus 2, plus 3 minus 6 minus 3. Then when we add these deviations from the mean, it equals to 0. The second property is if a constant k is added to or subtract from each data value, then the new mean is the sum or the difference of the old mean and the constant k. Let us see an example. If the mean of A, B, C, and D is k, then when we add a constant number B from each data value, then the new data is A plus B plus 2B plus C plus B plus D plus B. Then new mean equals to the sum of the new data value divided by its observation. That means A plus B plus 2B plus C plus B plus D plus B. Then when we rearrange the given data value, A plus B plus C plus D plus in the bracket adding B 4 times all over what? 4. Then it equals to, when we split it, A plus B plus C plus D all over 4 plus 4B over 4. Then here A plus B plus C plus D all over 4 is the old mean, and 4B over B, 4 is cancelled by 4. Then 4 is cancelled by 4, we get K plus B, which means old mean plus the constant number B. Okay, the third property of mean is the mean of the sum or the difference of two population function of equal numbers of observation is equal to the sum or the difference of the means of the two population functions. Let us see an example. The mean of 2, 4, 6, 8 is 5, and the mean of 5, 7, 9, 7 is 7. Then the mean of the sum is 7, 11, 15. 15 is 5 plus 7, which equals to 12. The last property is the mean of a constant times a population function is equal to the constant times the mean of the population function. That is, if x bar is the mean of the population function x1, x2, x3 up to xn, and if k is a constant, then the mean of k times the given data value, we get k times x1, k times x2, k times x3 up to k times xn is equal to k times the old mean. For example, the mean of 8, 9, 6, 8, 4 is 7. If we multiply each of value by 5, we will obtain 40, 45, 30, 45, and 20. Then the new mean is equals to 7 times 5, which is 35. Let us see the second example for this. If the mean of A, B, C, and D is K, then when we multiply each data value by a constant number B, then the new data value is AB, B squared, CB, DB. From this, the new mean equals to the sum of all the data values of the new data divided by the number of observation, which is AB plus B squared plus CB plus DB all over 4. From this, we can take out B as a common. Then we left A plus B plus C plus D times B all over 4. Here A plus B plus C plus D all over 4 is the old data times B is the constant. Then it equals to K times B, which means old mean times the constant number B. የተከበራችሁ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ተከታታዮች በዛሬው ዕለት አዘጋጅቼ ያቀረብኩላችሁ ትምህርታዊ ቪዲዮ ይህን ይመስላል። በሚቀጥለው ስለ ሚዲያን እና ሞድ ቪዲዮ አዘጋጅቼ የማቀርብላችሁ ይሆናል። እስከዛው በቸር ሰንብቱ። በሰላም እንገናኝ እያልኩኝ ቪዲዮውን ከወደዳችሁት ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ እና ሼር እንድታደርጉ በማክበር ጠይቃችኋለሁ።